Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a big, brave fire truck. Are you ready to help us create this awesome rescue vehicle? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your pencil. We'll start with a rough sketch to help us plan our drawing. Let's lightly outline where each part of the truck will go. Great job with the sketch! Now, pick up your black marker and we'll start drawing the details. Let's begin with two big wheels at the bottom of our truck. Now, let's draw a long rectangle above the wheels to make the base of our fire truck. Next, we'll draw the front of the truck where the driver sits. Now let's add the back part, where all the firefighting equipment goes. Let's also add a hosepipe with a swirling design, so they're ready to spray water on fires. Finally, let's draw the ladder on top. Firefighters use this ladder to reach high places. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with the black marker to make it stand out.
La da 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 dee.
Fantastic work, everyone! Now, let's bring our fire truck to life with some colors. Here we go! Blue color.
Yay!
Purple color. Pink color. Yellow color. Purple color. Orange color. Green color.
Wow!
Bottle green color. Red color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome job, little artists! Our fire truck is all ready to save the day. Thanks for drawing with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art tutorials. See you next time and keep creating!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.